If you want a fast and secure way to pay for your purchases on TikTok Shop, Apple Pay makes the checkout process quick and convenient. So in today's video, we are going to show you how to use Apple Pay on TikTok Shop. Before shopping on TikTok, you'll need to have an Apple Pay configured on your iPhone. So open the Wallet app and verify that at least one debit or credit card has been added. If you haven't set up Apple Pay yet, tap the plus icon in the Wallet app and follow the on-screen instructions to add your card. Once your card has been verified by your bank, Apple Pay will be ready to use. And then launch the TikTok app on your iPhone. Tap the Shop tab or browse videos featuring products with TikTok Shop listings. You can also use the search feature to find specific products you are interested in purchasing, and browse through the available items and select the product you want to buy. On the product page, review the item details, pricing, shipping information, and customer reviews. When you're ready, tap the Buy Now to purchase immediately or Add to Cart if you'd like to continue shopping. After adding your item, proceed to your cart and tap Checkout. If this is your first purchase on TikTok Shop, you'll need to provide your shipping address and contact details. So double check that all information is correct to avoid delivery issues. Once everything looks good, continue to the payment section. In the payment options area, look for Apple Pay. If Apple Pay is available for your order and region, select it as your payment method. Keep in mind that payment options can vary depending on your country, the seller, and the specific product being purchased. After selecting Apple Pay, a payment sheet will appear showing your selected card, shipping address, order total, or any taxes or shipping fees. And then, of course, once the payment is successful, TikTok Shop will display an order confirmation screen. You should also receive a confirmation notification or email with their order details. You can track your purchase by going to your TikTok Shop order section within the app. And basically, that's how you use Apple Pay on TikTok Shop. Once Apple Pay is set up on your iPhone, you can complete purchases quickly without manually entering your card details every time. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.